Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov reported on the progress of the special military operation in Ukraine on June 28, 2022. The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued the special military operation in Ukraine. The successful joint action of the Russian troops and People's Militia units of the Donetsk and Lugansk People Republic causes heavy losses to Ukraine armed forces. Attacks by the Russian aerospace forces of Nazi group Azov passed in Kharkov, and one of the battalion of 92nd Mechanized Infantry Brigade deployed near Potolikovka, Kharkov region, resulted in an elimination of over 100 Ukrainian soldiers, foreign mercenaries, and up to 15 armored combat vehicles and mortar vehicles. The low level of the education of Ukrainian citizens mobilized with their involvement of foreign operation and mercenaries in causing more friendly fire. The recruits who had come to replenish the start of the 97th Battalion of the 16th Infantry Brigade received a mortars attack from their units. A similar situation occurred in 28th Mechanized Brigade of Armed Forces of Ukraine, where the foreign mercenaries launched a fire attack on the reconnaissance group of the aforementioned unit. This attack resulted in losses of 4 soldiers and 3 wounded. Opposite side, the president of Ukraine, Zelensky, stated that he will always fight for the country. He promises to change and bring the country from the sadness to the happiness. Everything changed for Ukraine for 4 months. We become a country in army boots, a country in the tanks, aircraft and ships, a country in the trenches and shelters. Our way of life changed, but not our worldwide. The path on which are we going to the goal changed, but the goal remained the same, says Zelensky in his official telegram. He added that he will build Ukraine as a new beautiful country to live. We are fighting for our freedom in our land. We are fighting for the future of our children and grandchildren, for their life and opportunity to build a new Ukraine, Zelensky said.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.